In the box. 3-foot USB Type-C to USB-A male 3.1 Gen2 adapter charger cable for connecting USB Type-C enabled devices, MacBook, Chromebook Pixel, Galaxy Note 7, etc. With standard USB Type-A enabled devices, car, wall charger, external battery power bank, etc. For USB Type-C devices, ideal for charging and powering USB Type-C enabled devices, as well as syncing data, photos and music. Reversible design. Easily insert the Type-C connector into any Type-C enabled device, does not matter which side is up. Compact design. Type-C port is half the width and 1/3 the height of a standard USB-A connector, slightly larger compared to Lightning or micro USB ports. Ultra-fast speed. Up to 10 gigabits per second data transfer speed, SuperSpeed Plus, power output up to 5 volts, 3 amp. USB iodine monofluoride certified. Compliant with USB 3.1 Gen2. Backwards compatible to USB 3.0 and 2.0. Top reviews from the United States. Replaced my Samsung phone cable. The cable works great for fast charging. It's rigid, which what I wanted because my previous cable was more flexible and led to cable breakage. My only regret is not buying a longer cable.